In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to add NFL tickets to your wallet. Let's get started. First, open the email or app where you received your NFL tickets. This could be through platforms such as Ticketmaster, the NFL app, or your team's official ticketing app. Once you have located your ticket, tap on it to view the ticket details. You should see an option that says Add to Apple Wallet if you're using an iPhone, or Save to Google Wallet if you're using an Android device. Tap that option and confirm by selecting Add or Save when prompted. After the ticket has been added successfully, open your Apple Wallet or Google Wallet app to make sure the tickets appear there. This allows you to access your ticket even if you have limited internet connectivity at the stadium. If you don't see the option to add the ticket, make sure your ticket has been fully transferred to your account and that you are signed in with the correct email address. You can also try updating the ticket app or reopening the ticket link. Before heading to the game, it's a good idea to open your wallet app and verify that the ticket barcode or QR code is visible and ready to scan. That's all it takes to add NFL tickets to your wallet and make your stadium into process much. So that's all for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.